Деньги текут к нам легко и свободно.
Hello everyone, dear partners and guests. I'm Miss Miriam Manuela and very shortly will introduce you to a very new company, very successful and with good feedback already about it. I got information about this company from Russian community in North America. One of the successful business, which one I personally work, very active and on the road to get my dream, what I really was dreaming many years about it. Name of this company is Taylor's International Crowdfunding Company. This marketing company needed input your a little money for your perfect, for any your dreams become true. Like you're having good vacation for your new home, if you wish, and etc. etc. Okay, the business of Marketing Taylor's International joining class in Binar Marketing with 100% international from one person to another. In the moment, next to withdraw to money is automatically and very easy directly in your own business room. Check up your portfolio, so it's no problem. So it's very easy, as I say, and your income do not depend of others, but both marketing as is very tight join. Shortly, to start in business, you have to donate only $15. So $5 in one marketing and 10 in second marketing. Therefore, more to know in details, look on the side of this company, which one is www.taylors.com. First and second marketing having many stages where everyone partners business is growing depends how active he works. How many people involved in your business, in your team? Because it means your stage become more valuable, your business growing faster, so income also. Income from both of marketing give you amazing result, become powerful income that allowed you to get a new house, a new car, to have a perfect vacation, etc., etc. In your own team, depends how many active partners you get it, as many as you can introduce to this company. And of course, you have to work very active to get your own dream, as I do. To learn more in details, as I told you earlier, go to online www.taylors.com. So good luck, everyone. As you wish a little about my success, I want to just really share with you. I love to travel, and it was my dream when I free from job, maybe on the pension. So I been before in many other businesses, and I want to get very successful my business and get more money for traveling. So before it was not so really successful how I would like to, but now I work only for 2 months in this working in Taylor's International Crowdfunding with hope, happiness, and also with my all best best active as I can to have my fiesta, my dream really become true. I'm, as I say, only 2 months in this business, and I'm so happy with that. So again, good luck to everyone. Bye bye.